So I put off the remodel of the master bathroom for like years. I finally gotten motivated to do the job. We have removed the cabinet, took out the toilet, the shower. We are going back with a much bigger shower and taking in 24 inches of the master closet. We cut the hole for the open shelves. We also added a 24-inch door from the bathroom into the closet. Here's another glimpse at the area that will have the open shelves. They will be lined up one after the other, and the back will be sheetrocked in. The area to the right is where the shower will go. Not sure what to do with the corner space yet, but I'm sure something will come through. Subscribe to my channel to follow progress.